The next place we're going to now is Amanda and Owen's place, the Parker Perrys. Great clients of ours. So yeah, we'll go and have a look at that one. Do you want me to do that again?
Dramatic.
So this is Amanda and Owen's property. This is a custom corner site single story. And it's something the client really wanted to achieve as well, was high ceilings throughout. So whilst it's not finished, we can still take a look inside and get a feel for it. This is the main street frontage as you come up. So it was important to try and capture a nice looking facade. Expansive, high ceilings, no beam across here. There's a lot of structural steel to hold this. But when you look at the outlook, when it's not raining, it's still a really nice outlook now, but like obviously capturing all of this mountain range in the background, you've got a really expansive view right across here as well. Something that's important with this site as well is that it did have a little bit of fall on it. So what we've done to try and elevate it and work with the site is just use what's called a drop edge beam around here, or deep edge beam, where we formed up the slab to make it work better with the site, as opposed to cutting something in where you're going to be 800 mil lower, which my head is going to be down here. You might get a glimpse, but it's not going to be as good. So that was something that was important for me to get right for the clients as well. You got your standard ceiling height, which is 2.6 through here, and then nice big rake ceiling all the way through. I can't wait to see this one come to life in terms of the colours that the clients pick, because they're going again for full coastal, and Amanda and I have got a really, really nice taste. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing this one come to life, and it's just up the road, so I can keep an eye on it all the time.